No dresses. We're here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a brand new Uponor box. The old washer box had a bad valve and one of the supply lines was stuck in place. We tried to remove it. We were afraid that we were going to break something and then flood the house. So they have a new washer and dryer set. They want to get the washer hooked up. So we came in. It's a little bit moist down here right now. You might want to let this drywall dry just a little bit because I noticed when we were cutting here it's pretty damp. What we did down here is we cut the 2-inch ABS pipe back. We cut it down low because this box can only be so high. It can only have 24-inch maximum stand pipe, so we had to cut down there and use an inside-out cutter. A couple offset 45s to get to the center of the box, so that is glued in place. Leave it glued in place until you're ready to hook up the washer, and then just a sharp little knife cuts out that hole. And you can see a little clip right there. Hold on to that, so you don't inadvertently drop it down there. Shouldn't go down in there, but anyway, so that'll pop out. Both of these bibs are Uponor hose bibs. They're not the factory with just the threads and you can solder or use iron pipe. This is specific to the pipe that we use. So this is Uponor piping on the hot side and the cold side. You can see we've come up a couple of offset 90s right here, and then over to shark bite fittings. Those are 1/2 inch straight through shark bite fittings, approved by code, over to existing piping in the home. So you can see the blue on the top comes over, translates down to the cold water here, and then hot on the bottom translates over to hot right there. We ask that you leave this open as long as you can bear it. So whatever's comfortable for you, leave it open as long as you possibly can. We like to monitor these. The Uponor piping, we're very confident in. That other piping, the red pipe and the blue pipe, I forget whether it's Viga or another manufacturer. We're not as thrilled about that, but we're real happy with this pipe. But just monitor it. We want to make sure that this thing stays absolutely dry. And we're just talking even a hint of moisture. Give us a call. We'll come back out, take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.